Lesser known symptoms of depression. Depression is a disorder that is rarely discussed. It is a serious mental illness with serious consequences for a person's life. Depression affects more than 264 million people of all ages worldwide, according to the World Health Organization. It is a serious mental illness that can have a profound impact on every aspect of a person's life. It is important to be aware of the signs and symptoms of depression, as early diagnosis and treatment can greatly improve the prognosis. There are many different types of depression, and the symptoms can vary from person to person. Some people may experience only a few symptoms, while others may experience many. The most common symptoms of depression include sadness, loss of interest or pleasure in activities, fatigue, memory problems, and changes in sleep. However, there are many other symptoms of depression that are not as well known. In this video, we will discuss some of the lesser known symptoms of depression. So watch till the end. Some of the lesser known symptoms of depression include anger or irritability. Depression is a serious mental illness that can cause a variety of problems. One of the most common symptoms of depression is anger or irritability. Anger is a normal emotion, but it can become problematic when it is out of proportion to the situation or when it is directed at oneself. Irritability is similar to anger, but it is characterized by a feeling of general discontent or frustration. Symptoms of anger or irritability can include feeling easily annoyed or offended, reacting to things with excessive or uncontrolled anger, having a short temper, being quick to anger. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it can cause problems in all areas of life, including at home, at work, and in relationships. These symptoms can make it difficult to function in day-to-day life and can interfere with your ability to form and maintain healthy relationships. If you are struggling to cope with these symptoms, it is important to seek help from a mental health professional. Fatigue. It is well known that fatigue is a common symptom of depression. But what exactly is fatigue, and how can it impact those who experience it? Fatigue is more than just feeling tired. It is a severe, overwhelming exhaustion that can interfere with everyday activities. It can make it difficult to concentrate, make decisions, or even get out of bed in the morning. For some people, fatigue can be so severe that it significantly impairs their quality of life. There are different types of fatigue, which can vary from person to person. Some people with depression may feel physically exhausted all the time, while others may have mental fatigue, which can make it hard to concentrate or motivate oneself. Fatigue can also be intermittent, which means it comes and goes as the depression episodes change. If you are experiencing any type of fatigue, it is important to talk to your doctor. Fatigue is a common symptom of depression, but other conditions can also cause it. You can get a proper diagnosis and treatment by talking to your doctor. Chronic pain. Chronic pain is also a common symptom of depression. It is defined as pain that lasts for more than 3 months. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including injuries, diseases, and conditions. While chronic pain is often invisible to others, it can have a profound impact on your quality of life. If you are living with chronic pain, you may have difficulty performing everyday activities. You may suffer from fatigue and you may find it difficult to concentrate. Chronic pain can also lead to depression. If you are experiencing chronic pain, it is important to talk to your doctor. Depression is treatable, and there are many options available to help you manage your symptoms. With the right treatment, you can live a full and healthy life. Loss of interest in previously enjoyed activities. Although different people experience depression in different ways, another common symptom is a loss of interest in activities that were once enjoyed. This can manifest in a variety of ways, from no longer enjoying favorite hobbies to withdrawing from social activities and interactions. This can include hobbies, social activities, work, or even sex. A loss of interest in activities that were once enjoyed can be a debilitating symptom of depression. It can make it hard to find enjoyment in anything and cause people to withdraw from the usual activities and routines. If you're experiencing a loss of interest in activities that you used to enjoy, it's important to reach out for help. Depression can be a debilitating condition, but with treatment, it is possible to find joy in life again. Difficulty concentrating. It can be difficult to concentrate when you're feeling depressed. Your thoughts may feel jumbled and it can be hard to focus on anything for more than a couple of minutes. Even simple tasks can seem impossible to finish. If you're struggling with concentration, it's important to understand that this is a common symptom of depression and there are ways to get help. Difficulty concentrating can have a major impact on your life. It can make it hard to work or study. It can also affect your relationships. Concentration difficulties can be caused by several things, including negative thoughts, sleep problems, and side effects of medication. If you're struggling with depression, know that you're not alone. There are many resources available to help you get the treatment you need, and with the right help, you can start to feel better and get your life back on track. There are also some things you can do on your own to help improve your concentration. You could try exercises like mindfulness meditation or yoga to help you focus. You can also try to structure your day in a way that helps you stay on track. For example, you can break down tasks into smaller steps or set a timer to help you stay on task. Memory problems. It's common for people with depression to have trouble with their memory. This can include things like forgetting important dates or appointments, forgetting to return calls or emails, or even forgetting people's names. A research study published in the journal Psychiatry Research found that people with clinical depression had significantly poorer memory recall than those without depression. The study participants were asked to complete a memory test, and the results showed that those with depression scored lower on the test than those without depression. Other studies have also found that depression can impair memory, especially in tasks that require focus and attention. Depression can also make it difficult to retrieve memories from long-term storage. If you are depressed, you may find it hard to concentrate on tasks or remember information that you once knew. There are a few possible explanations for why memory problems are a symptom of depression. First, depression can lead to fatigue and sleep problems, which can in turn lead to difficulty concentrating and remembering things. Additionally, depression can cause negative thinking and rumination, which can make it hard to focus on and remember positive memories. If you're struggling with memory problems, it's essential to talk to your doctor or mental health professional. They can help you determine if your memory problems are due to depression or another cause. Restlessness. We all feel restless from time to time. It's normal to have periods of restlessness when we feel like we need or want to make a change in our lives. But when that feeling of restlessness is accompanied by other symptoms of depression, it may be a sign that you're experiencing clinical depression. It is common for people with depression to feel restless. This means that they often have trouble sitting still or keeping their mind focused on one thing. For some people, this can be a mild and manageable symptom, but for others, it can be a more severe and have a major impact on their day-to-day life. If you are feeling restless, there are a few things you can do to help ease your symptoms. Exercise, relaxation techniques, and meditation can all help to reduce feelings of restlessness. If your symptoms are severe, you may also need to talk to your doctor about medication options. Overeating or loss of appetite. There are many symptoms of depression, and they vary from person to person. Some people may experience changes in their appetite, either overeating or loss of appetite. This can lead to weight gain or weight loss. It's important to remember that everyone is different, and not everyone will experience the same symptoms. If you are experiencing a change in appetite, it is important to speak to a doctor or mental health professional. They will be able to help you understand what is causing the symptom and how to treat it. Weight changes. Weight changes are one of the many symptoms of depression. People suffering from depression may experience unexpected weight loss or gain, as well as difficulty maintaining their usual eating habits. This can lead to additional issues such as malnutrition or obesity. These changes can be significant for many people and have a significant impact on their quality of life. It is also important to remember that this symptom does not affect everyone who is depressed. And even if you do experience weight changes, this does not always indicate that you are depressed. However, if you are also experiencing other signs of depression in addition to weight changes, it may be a sign that you're experiencing depression. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important to seek help from a medical professional. Depression is a serious condition that can have a major impact on your health and well-being, so don't hesitate to get the help you need. Changes in sleep patterns, either sleeping too much or too little. Depression is a serious medical condition that can have a profound impact on every aspect of a person's life. While it is often characterized by feelings of sadness and low energy, it can also cause changes in sleep patterns. Many people with depression find that they either sleep too much or too little. This can be due to a variety of factors, including changes in hormones, increased anxiety, and difficulty processing thoughts and emotions. While it is important to get enough sleep, oversleeping can be just as detrimental to your health as not getting enough sleep. If you are experiencing changes in your sleep patterns, it is important to talk to your doctor. Depression is a treatable condition, and there are a variety of treatment options available. With the help of a professional, you can develop a plan to address your symptoms and start feeling better. With treatment, many people with depression improve their symptoms and go on to lead happy and fulfilling lives. These symptoms can be easy to miss, but they can be crucial in getting an early diagnosis and treatment. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, please reach out to a mental health professional for help. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.